Well, I like the simple things in life. I enjoy the simple pleasures. One of my favorites is cutting coupons out of the paper. You get the fun of cutting them out, and then you double the pleasure by saving that money. I went to the store the other day to cash in coupons, and the cashier told me it had expired in 1956. So watch those expiration dates. One thing that won't expire is this channel here, so if you want to see more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Now, putting out coupons or offers can be a great way of low-key marketing for your brand or service. It does several things all at the same time. Firstly, it's an enticement to buy for people that may be sitting on the fence about your product. A special offer could be enough to swing the balance. Secondly, it's a great way to promote your brand or service, as coupons and offers are often shared to other people who might be potential customers. Lots of times people have given me coupons for things they think I need. A lot of times it's mouthwash or deodorant. The point is, they're a great way to promote your brand and encouraging customers to buy. They can also be used to capture email addresses if they have to fill out a form to redeem the coupon. Well, once again, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And do me a favor, hit that little bell thingy up there too. That gives you notifications of the new videos.